Hello, my first graders. Again, I'm here to talk to you about soft C and soft G. So we already started talking about them the other day, and we talked about how C normally says k, right? That's a hard sound, like we hear in carrots, crayons, okay? Cake, that has this hard K, the hard C sound. Then we talked about hard G. When we hear G normally, right, we think of it as the G sound, that hard sound, G, like gorilla, garage, gift has the G sound. But sometimes both C and G make a soft sound. So when C makes a soft sound, it makes the S sound. Can you make that sound for me? Very good. And it sounds like that. What's that letter that we know? S. Yeah. Soft C makes the S sound. Sounds just like the letter S. The S sound. Soft G, when G is a soft sound, it makes the J sound. Sounds like a letter we know, right? J makes the J sound. Okay, so soft C says S. Soft G says J. Now that happens when it comes before, when you have the C before the E, I, or Y, or a G before E, I, or Y. So when they're together, right, when you have a C or a G, and then you see an E, an I, or a Y, that makes it say have a soft sound. Now, just like we talked about before with vowel sounds, it's like you flip the sound. So just like vowels have two sounds, like A says ah, but it also says A. You can flip the sounds for C and G. If you try it as a hard sound, right, the sound we normally know it makes, if it doesn't sound right, you try the soft sound, okay? You try S or J, okay? You flip it. So we looked at these words yesterday. I'm just gonna read through them really quickly because they're good examples of soft C and soft G. So we had words for soft C. Remember, soft C says S, like ice, race, scent, celery, circle, city, face, slice, pencil. Those were all soft C words. So I have a few new soft C words just to show you today so you see some new words in action. So again, remember, soft C makes that S sound. But again, if you were to try it, right, with a hard C sound, and if it doesn't sound right, you flip the sound just like you do with vowels, like this. K, itty, kitty. Doesn't look like a kitty, right? City, city, same thing. Kirkle, kirkle, no, circle. Okay, flip that sound. So here is some more C words, okay? So let's look at them today. Soft C. We have oh, I'm showing you the wrong one. Here we go. Here's our soft C. Ice, rice, rice, like you eat rice, okay? And if you try it the other way, right? Doesn't sound right, does it? So you flip it, flip the letter C and try it with the soft sound. Ice, rice. Oh, here's our C. There's the E there. Dance, dance, dance. Soft C. Fence, fence. Okay, notice, look, all these had an E after it. That's what made the C soft. Last one. Now the soft C starts at the beginning. Look, C, and then E. Ooh, that E shows up a lot with the C, right? To make it soft. Cereal, cereal. Okay, so as you're trying those letters C, make sure that if you try it with a hard C sound, and if it doesn't sound right, flip it to the soft C sound, just like we would do with a vowel. Okay, so those are some more soft C words. Then we had G, and these are the ones from yesterday. So remember, hard G is a G sound, But soft G is a J sound, okay? Just like the letter J, J. Okay, remember again, E, I, and Y. So it would be a G and then one of these letters, and that's what makes it a soft sound. But just like I said with soft C, you can flip the G sound. So if you're sounding something out and it doesn't sound right, take the G, flip it to a soft G sound and see how it sounds. So here are the ones we looked at yesterday. We had giraffe, giraffe, gym, gym, gel, gel, age, cage, age, age, huge, huge. And then down here we had our DGE words. Remember, when we see the DGE, it still just makes the J sound, okay? Edge, bridge, judge, okay? So that DGE just makes the J sound, okay? So those are some soft G words. I have some new ones for us to look at today. So again, remember G and then I, so that makes it a soft G sound. Magic, magic. But if we tried it with a hard G, magic, doesn't sound right. So we would flip it and try the soft sound. Magic, magic. Age, page. Oh, there it is at the beginning. Giant, giant. And then last one, oh, look, do you see the DGE? Bridge, bridge. Okay, so remember that DGE, when you see it, just makes the J sound. All right, my first graders. So remember, soft G, soft C. If you're trying to sound out a word and it's not coming together right, try flipping the sound. Remember, C can sometimes say S, and G can say J. All right, boys and girls, keep practicing.